Hi, some may use their boobs and half-naked body for fame, but for Pookie, hers is all about her papaya salad business. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the lady whose papaya salad shop is making 10,000 Thai baht a day. Wow! Welcome back. This is a story that might surprise many, but it's worth mentioning because you do not see things like this every day. It's rare. Pookie is a 28-year-old Thai lady who lives in Buriram, northeast of Thailand. She has managed to find the secret of selling her papaya salad without any hassle. What's that secret? Her boobs, curviness, and enticing smiles. Oh my god. Pookie mentioned that she receives about 300 calls in a day from customers who are calling to place order on her papaya salad. She has customers as far as Nong Khai, which is close to the Laos border. They call her from that distance just to make order on her papaya salad. All thanks to her boobs. Like I mentioned in the beginning of these videos, others might use their half-naked body for fame, but for this Thai lady, she knows what she is doing, advertising her boobs to attract customers into her business. Now, a question for you ladies: would you dress half naked just to entice customers to your business? Let me know in the comment section below. But for Pookie, fame did not just come that easy. In fact, she struggled in her early days. She mentioned that in the early days, she made a post on her Facebook, but she received a lot of criticism. Thais wouldn't take that so easily, like they criticized her for showing her half-naked body while preparing Som Tam for people. She got so traumatized. She lost her self-confidence, but over time, she was able to bounce back. And how did she manage to do this? By ignoring the haters. So this is a point that we may learn from Pookie. Ignore your haters and try to focus on what you are doing. She ignored her haters completely and focused on her business. Every time before she prepares her salad, she poses for a selfie in front of her shop, and this works the magic. People seeing her half-naked body with a huge protruding boobs, they are attracted to buy. For God knows why, I don't know, but it seems interesting and it's working. And because of this, her friends around Buriram, the village where she's living precisely, has joined into the business. Like, they are doing it with her to support her. They also dress half naked to entice more customers. So that is the story of Pookie. She's making 10,000 Thai baht a day. Do the math. If she can make 10,000 Thai baht a day, multiply that by 7 days in a week, how much is that? It means she's making 70,000 in a week. Now, that is what most of you having regular job wouldn't make in a month. Props up to Pookie. In as much as many of you might not agree with her marketing strategy, there is one fact we can't take away from her: her industriousness and her bravery. An applause for Pookie. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.